Hey guys, so this is a cool recipe. It's naan bread with yogurt. Naan is the equivalent of the piadina in Italy. Flatbread, really simple. The piadina would use lard. This naan calls for yogurt. Really easy. You can make it like in a snap. So you need self-rising flour. I don't have any, but this auntie in India showed me how to make it. Really easy. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Done. So you don't have to go buy it. You just make it yourself.
Homemade.
Homemade, Ems, that's right. For this recipe, it's equal portions of self-rising flour and yogurt. So a cup of flour and a cup of Greek yogurt. And then a little bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon.
Does olive oil and yogurt mix?
Oh, they do now.
Daddy inventing stuff.
Oh, come on, Ems, don't go throw me under the bus now. You want to just add a little bit of flour and keep working it. And you can smell the yogurt. Okay, the dough becomes nice and soft. And you just want to knead it until there's nothing on your hands and it's not sticky anymore.
There's nothing left to stick.
Right, exactly. So the yogurt gives it the fat content that the lard would give the piadina, but it gives it kind of extra flavor, and I don't know, I like it better. Okay, good. Doesn't really stick to your hands anymore.
You can like poke at it and nothing will like stick on you.
Yeah, see? Just like
poke?
that. Yeah, go poke.
Poke. Poke.
Okay?
It feels gooey.
Yeah. Okay, so leave it right here. And now we're gonna prepare our ingredients. We have our cherry tomatoes, oven roasted,
So
mozzarella, and then we have our prosciutto. Okay, so just going to cut the dough.
Cut it?
Yep, cut it.
It's very mesmerizing, cutting dough
Cut
with a
it.
knife.
See, just into little pieces.
Little pieces.
Some flour. And the dough goes in here, Ems.
Can I flatten dough?
Yeah, you can probably do a better job than me.
Really?
Yeah, these kind of look like they're not perfectly round, but it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. What a heart.
Try to make it into a nice circle.
Okay.
Try.
1.
You can do it.
I can do it.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
That's funny, Ems. You got your A game this morning.
My A game. I brought lots of cracks just for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, done. Let's go to the stove. Olive oil, not too much. Okay, so right in, Ems. Smells nice.
Yeah. Look at all those bubbles forming.
Look at. Ooh, that's what you want, Ems. Hey, Dante. This is looking good, bud.
He doesn't even care.
He doesn't care. Okay, so once the bubbles is starting to brown, then you want to flip it over. Just like that. Look at that. And you just keep flipping it over until it gets nice and charred. And that's
Nice and charred.
And the round naan, no. When you see them in India, throw them on the tandoor. They're never round. They're kind of all, they have character, personality. Right, Ems?
Personality.
Right.
What personality is this?
Wow, look at that. See the bubbles? See?
Bubble.
Okay, nice. Okay, hon. That's one. Okay, so now that's done.
It's done?
Yeah, another one.
Another one. Oh, Sizzle sizzle. I know, sorry. Sizzle sizzle. Ooh. Bubbles are forming.
And brush with olive oil.
Ooh, wow. Yummy. Yummers. This looks very crispy.
Does it look nice?
I can't wait to eat this.
That's what you want. Nice and bubbles. Nice bollicine. Look at the bubbles. Really easy. And these have a kind of softness, moistness from the yogurt. And it's beautiful. Much healthier than the lard that the Piadina has. And to me, way tastier.
Way tastier.
Way tastier.
Way
This
tastier.
Em's looking. Okay, Ems. So you have your, look at this naan. Look how beautiful. Still nice and warm. You want to eat these right away. So, così, soft, beautiful. It's almost like a pizza napoletana. It's kind of like that chewy, soft kind of texture. So here's what we do. We got to construct this very carefully. Mozzarella.
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 Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Now, let's put some greens.
Some greens.
Let's put a little bit of these cherry tomatoes.
I think Mom would be proud of us eating greens.
Okay, Ems. And now look at, we fold it up.
Fold it up. And then you eat.
C'è una bella faccia, eh? Una bella faccia, Ems. Look at that.
Yummy.
Oh yeah. Mmm. Simple, naan, piadina, flatbread that you can make at home. Fill it up with your favorite deli meat, your cheese, and you have a beautiful snack.
Can you make one for me? Yay!
Let's go, Mother.
Okay, I want cheese. I'm gonna take this big cheese. This,
Yeah?
and this. I want some of these.
That's it. Use your hands.
My inner hands.
Yeah. Mom would kill us. I brought spoons. What can we say? A little bit of arugula.
A little bit.
This is actually kale. Any green. Want to put a little bit of olive oil?
Yeah. How could we forget olive
Here, a little
oil?
bit of olive oil. Una goccia. Okay, look at that.
How do I even wrap this up? It's so big inside. Here. Perfect wrap. Well, not really a wrap. It's more like a triangle. Wow.
Nice, eh? Isn't it good? Well, I think this was a success.
You can say that again.